انڈی کی گگلی میں خوش آمدید. میں ہوں مشتاق احمد.
Welcome back. I think you came on.
I've been thinking about this for 7 days in my room, Mushy, so we're ready to go.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Joe, you are the witness?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and let's have a game.
Let's go.
Beautiful ball.
That was brilliant.
Come on. We should concentrate.
Mushy, you're on top.
Yeah, beauty! Yes, man. Joe, do you remember this? You have the evidence?
The evidence is here. 3 balls left. They've all got to go for 6. Six.
Pressure on me now.
Oh, that's big. It's big.
You know, you're happy in the first half, but we're coming back strong.
Okay, let's
Last
see.
ball has to go.
Lovely bowling. Yes. Yes, Joe. You the witness.
Yes.
Mr. Tim, please come. Mr. Joe, match referee. Mr. Tim David, please say something now. I'm the winner.
Well bowled. Yeah, 2 sixes, 2 wickets.
I think against this X Factor, the man who can smash anybody, old man like Mushy, still got it. Still got it. Abhi bhi hai. No, Mr. Tim, can you say something to the viewers? What went wrong?
Nothing went wrong with you, boy. You're allowed to bowl well. You know, lucky to face such a legend like you, and it's good to show the respect.
I think you know what? Tim David actually spotted me, and he's been nice to me. He could actually hit me 6s easily. But thank you very much.
I was trying.
Thank you very much. But good game. Good game. Good game.
Well bowled.
Thank you, man.